I am here with this beautiful burgundy silver black look. It took 2 palettes to create it, and I totally was so into the eyes that I finished off the video without putting on a lipstick. So I threw one on to do this intro because, yeah, I was like, after I finished, I was like, oh, I have nothing on my lips. I was like, dang it. So, yeah. So that's why I'm wearing one now, and I won't be wearing one in the rest of the video. So, yeah, if you like this look, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget, please subscribe before you leave. And hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted soon as my videos go up. So now, yeah, let's just get into this eye look. Okie dokie. I'm gonna put on these shadow shields. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna be using 2. Oh, let me throw this away first. I'm gonna be using 2 palettes today. I'm gonna be using the After Dark by Bad Habit and Sultry by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So those are 2 palettes we're gonna be playing in today. Yes. Just grabbing all of my brushes. I always grab too many, but that's fine. Not a big deal. So I don't dirty them all. Oh, boo-hoo. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to start in the After Dark palette. And I am going to take the color Skin to Skin and very lightly put that as my transition shade. My gosh, I have stuff everywhere. I need room. I don't have room. Okay. So yes, let's start there. So Skin to Skin. Tap it off, trying not to mess up my face makeup. Just really lightly. We just want that as a transition shade. Okay, so now in the crease, I'm gonna go into Merlot right there, and I'm gonna put that right in the crease. I'm gonna try to focus most of it right here into the crease, and then I will blend it out. And I'm really gonna just build this up. Like really slow. Ooh, now we're gonna take that transition brush and we're going to just blend the edges up a little bit. So now I'm taking this brush, the brush we used with that color, and I'm just in circular motions blending that color up without adding any more product, just taking what is already on the brush and I'm just blending it up to blend it out. You really want to take your time with the blending. Don't rush blending. Blending does not do well rushed. You really just want to keep going until it's blended out the way you like. Now we're going to go on into the Sultry palette, and we want to go into this Cyborg silver color right there. Oh, it's silver, I swear, guys. There, silver. Lights so bright. Okay, I'm gonna take that on my finger and I'm going to pack it on the lid, almost over the whole lid. Boo-ah-yah. So, there we go with that. Let's see. Now I'm going to I'll leave that like that. I'm going to go in to Noir, that black. And we are going to be very, very careful with this because we want the black to be really placed well. So, what brush do I want to use for that? Oh, here it is. Okay, so this is a BH Cosmetic brush number 6. It is a little bigger than a pencil brush. So we're going to use this. We're going to go into, oh no, okay, that doesn't want to, come on, really? Well, it doesn't want to stay. It keeps flipping backwards. Okay, so we're going to go into the Black Noir. And go on the outer corner, all the way to that tape. We're going to go into the crease just a little as well. And you really just want to focus that black right in the crease. Don't take it up too far. We will blend it out with the Merlot shade. May pack it on a little more after I blend. So we're going to take this crease brush that we used and we are going to feather the black in with it, blend the edges of the black. I'm gonna go back into the After Dark palette just to get a little touch more of that Merlot color. Really tap that off just so we can get that like Merlot blend so it doesn't look muddy over that black a little. Okay, and now I'm gonna do more blending. I'm gonna take the transition brush and we are going to blend the edges a little more. I'm really taking my time with this look. I think this is the longest I've ever taken on a look. Oh. Okay, now I want to take a flat shadow brush and I'm going to go back into Sultry. Oh, stabbing shadows. Okay. Back into Sultry and back into the Black Noir. Stop falling. We're gonna take that and we are going to pack it right here in the outer corner. Back into the Bad Habit. We're gonna take that lovely Merlot color. You know, the red. I'm gonna take some on my finger little touch. I'm actually gonna put that right to blend the black and the silver a little. I'm just gonna tap it. All right, go back into the cyborg, that's silver. More on your finger. And tap it just on the edge of the red you just put there to blend it in with the silver. Yeah, all right, I like it. Let's do some eyeliner. I think I'm gonna use the E.L.F cream eyeliner. I need a liner brush. Oh my god, it was right in front of my face the whole stinking time. Okay. We're gonna take this INMO angled brush and we're going to use that to apply our cream eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna remove damn. Okay, so I'm going to pop on lashes and then I'll be back and we will do the bottom lash line. Okay, so lashes are on. Now let's do the bottom lash line. That was my cat. Like snoring. So we're gonna go into the Merlot. And we're just gonna put a little tiny bit on the brush. We're gonna run that under here. Okay, we're gonna take that little pencil-y brush. Gonna take noir, the black color, and we're going to connect the bottom lash line. Okay, now I think I just scared my cat. We're gonna use that cream liner again. Take a Q-tip, wipe the waterline off. We're only gonna go about halfway. And then we are gonna take some Lash Paradise and put that on the bottom. And that's it. We're done. Oh wait, no we are not. I lied. Liar. I want to go in. I want to take this pearl color right there and I'm going to pop that on the brow bone and the inner corner for a little brightness. now we're done. Now we are done. So that is this look. It's a burgundy, silver, and black. It's beautiful. A little intense, but beautiful. So yes, if you like the look we created today, then hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the #notification nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys will come back and do some more makeup with me. I just absolutely love creating looks. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.